wanted to give you a little update on what's going on. You might hear the heater going. That is because it's on right now. So I wanted to let you know that. So if you hear a humming or whatever, that's the reason for that. But I wanted to give you a little update and let you know exactly what's going on. Number one, we do have a new camera, so hopefully this does work for what we are looking to do. We want just new ones. I know my other camera got really hot and decided to stop on me a lot of the times, so I lost a lot of stuff with the rabbits doing fun things because it would stop in the middle of something. What we're gonna do is we got a cage, and it's a long cage, so it will start over here and it will come about halfway over here somewhere in this vicinity, and it's a 1-tier cage. So then it'll be opened and closed whenever we are cleaning, or if they are just need a break from whatever. So we have that option, because what they're doing is they get all crazy and then they fight with each other down over here, or they like to jump over the fence. And until we get that stuff done, we want to have that. But we want to have a little cage here that goes right over here. And then what it does is it will have, we're going to see how big it is. It's supposed to be, I think, 20 inches tall or something. And then we'll put something up here so they can run up here too at times too. So it's going to be fun. We're working on the hay feeders right now. So I'm going to get this cleaned as much as I can. And then Thursday, I'm going to come in and clean all the floors, get everything done. And then by that time, we'll have a awesome new cage set up. So they will still have this. They're not going to be put in their cages at all times. It's just sometimes at night, if the babies are little, and I'll bring you to the babies, sometimes they can get a little bit crazy. And then I have some issues. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this door and I'm going to lock it so then therefore no bunnies get out. And then I make sure that cage is closed, that cage is closed, and this cage is closed. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to let Ella out if she wants to run for a little bit. Ella, do you want to come out? She's like, Mommy, do you want to? Ella, you want to come out and play? Do you want to come out and play, Ella? Are you giving me the woo? Hi, Ella. Do you want to come out and play for a while? Ella girl. Yeah, you were just out. Look at the mess you made. Ella girl. Hi, baby girl. Hi, Bugaboo. How are you doing today, huh? How are you doing today? I gave you some yummy food, didn't I? And now you're just so tired. Do you want to come and play outside? Well, not outside, but do you want to come and play while I clean your little area and play with your babies? Okay, you can come and play. Because look at the mess you guys made anyway, and I got to clean up the mess. Look at. And that's another thing we've got to figure out is they've been going to the bathroom, and then poop's been everywhere, so we're going to have to do that. But, Ella, what you doing? Okay, let's go in with the babies. Are you hiding in there, huh? Are you hiding? Are you hiding? Yeah. Say hi. Can you say hi? What are you guys doing in here? Huh? What are you guys doing in here? What are you doing? What are you doing in there? Do you guys have blue eyes? Do you have blue eyes? There's one over in there. Look at you. Do you have blue eyes, huh? Hi, babies. You're so cute.
And you? Do you have blue eyes? Huh? What? Hi. What you doing in there? Fluff balls? Hi. What you doing? Are you guys funny, huh? Yeah. They're pretty friendly. They just, like I said, they're learning what people are. And so they're a little bit scared, but that's okay, right? Yeah. Yeah, you're so cute. Yeah, you're so cute. And you hear the other bunnies making noises, do you? I got your butt. Did I get your butt? Did I get the butt? Huh? Yes, I did. Did I get your butt? You guys have to come out so I can get your stuff put back in there. When I clean it, I gotta clean it. Can I clean this area for you, huh? Hog pile. Hog pile. What are you doing? Are we done hog piling? Do you guys like to hang out? Do you guys like to hang out? They're still getting used to people. Hi guys, what you doing? What you doing? Hi, look at this one. Hi. What you doing? What do you see? Hi, boobers. You got some blue eyes, huh? You got blue eyes? Hi, baby girl and baby boys. So what she did is she liked to have her babies over here. So here is what they look like now, kind of bare. Didn't really like some of the things. They were making a mess. So what we're gonna do, obviously we didn't get a chance to do it this weekend, but we're gonna put this up because we had an issue with Ella. Ella came. Ella girl, did you be naughty? So yes, I've been naughty, Mom. I've been naughty, Mummies. Yeah. But what she did is she came over here, ran as fast as she could, and jumped right over into Maribel's cage. And Miss Maribel didn't like that, so they started arguing with each other. And there was fur flying and stuff like that. Right, Maribel? Maribel! Hi, baby girl. How is your day going? Huh? Can't wait to get your new stuff in. Thursday is the day. Thursday is the day. Yeah, you want to say hi to me? Are you coming to say hi to me? She says, no, I just coming to see the camera. I'm coming to see the camera.
I will let you know the process of what's going on so you guys can know what's happening. So right now it just looks kind of crazy. As you can see, just a little bit of nothing. I did put their stuff in the washing machine. That's another reason why all of their stuff went into the washing machine, buddy.
So then therefore we can clean. Today is clean day. Oh my goodness, look at the mess. Oh my goodness.